Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to add and remove widgets on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Now to do that, just swipe up and open the app drawer, then go to settings. From here, just tap on home screen, then go to widgets. Now to add a new widget, just swipe to the left side and tap on the plus icon. Now just select the widget which you want to add. I will select alarm. Now just tap on add. Now to remove any widget, just tap on the minus icon on the widget which you want to remove. For an example, I want to remove this widget. Just tap on the minus icon. Now as you can see, we have removed the widget. Now just tap on done. Now if you go back to your home screen, as you can see, this is how you can add and remove widgets on the Xiaomi Smart Band 10. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.